Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today I'm back with a quick wig review, and the wig I have to show you guys today is from Fretress Equal, and this one is from their Act Bank series, right? I think that's what it's called. It's from their Act Bank, Act or Arched Bank, Act or Arched, any of the two. And I have this one in the style A001, and I have her in the color 1B, and I got this wig off wigtypes.com, and it retailed for $19.94. So yeah, let's just see what she looks like. This is a little bit different from what I've been reviewing lately. I wanted to try something different, so let's see. So this is what the stock card looks like, in case you're wondering, and I think I already mentioned that I got her in color 1B. And yeah, we just have information about the wigs in there, how to wash them and all of that good stuff. And this wig also comes in other colors. We have color 1, color 1B, color 2, and so many other colors. Link is going to be in the description box. And yeah, so this is what she looks like straight out of the pack, and I can already feel that I'm going to like this wig because I really like the texture already. And this is what she looks like inside as well. No comb whatsoever, just your adjustable straps. So yeah, let's just put her on. Alright you guys, so this is what we have. This is so different from anything that I've tried out lately, and that was why I actually wanted to try this out, because I wanted to try something new. And I really like how this looks, you guys. She's cute. And I'm surprised that I like this wig, you guys, because if you know me, you know that I have my reservation about straight synthetic wigs, because I always feel like they look too synthetic for my liking. But this one, you guys, it doesn't even look it at all. It doesn't look like it's synthetic at all, and it laid down so nice. It's so nice. And if you guys look closely, I like the cuts right here as well. It's layered nicely in front here too. And yeah, this is a very cute unit. Besides the shedding, that's not too bad, although you would experience shedding. I did experience a couple of sheddings here and there, nothing too crazy though, but it did shed a bit, and no tangling whatsoever. And if you don't like your bangs too long as well, this one is also very long. You just have to try to, finesse it the way I did right here. And yeah, what else can I say about this unit, you guys? And it laid down nicely and flat as well. You probably don't even need to go in with your iron the way I did, but I just had to do that because my hair was swollen underneath. But if you have your hair braided to the back or something, then you probably don't have to go in with a flat iron. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.